Welcome back to my channel, Caribbean people. Today I'd like to share an easy breakfast recipe. If you have a minute, stick around and I'll show you how I make a beautiful chickpea recipe. So we're gonna render down some chopped tomatoes, put some scallions, some green pepper, thyme, a little piece of garlic, and we're gonna cook that down for a few minutes. Then we're gonna add some cooked canned chickpeas. So easy to make, guys. I tell you, this is gonna be quick and easy, right? Let that steam and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Cover it down, and then as easy as this, we cracked a few eggs right over it to poach, just like so. And we're gonna cover this down, a little bit of salt and pepper on the top. And just like that, we're gonna have a beautiful breakfast. Give it a try, guys. Poached egg in tomato sauce with some chickpea. It's a wonderful breakfast idea, nice and healthy and filling. Give it a try. You'll love it. Then I had a piece of Guyana sliced bread, and I had my eggs and my chana with my tomato sauce in it. It was beautiful. Give it a try, guys, and thanks for watching.